Hello ladies and gentlemen, and today we are unboxing and taking a look at the Honor 7X. So let's get right into it. The first thing we have is the phone itself, so let's put that to the side. A SIM ejecting tool, an included case which is a really nice gesture by Honor, and a micro USB cable, a standard charger, and an earphone. So let's take a look at the device itself. Feels really nice in the hand, quite manageable for a 6-inch display to be honest. Let's try out the case and it fits perfectly. The 7X has a camera bump. This case does a really good job at protecting it against scratches when you put it on a table. So I just set it up and logged into my accounts. Seems really fast and responsive to be honest. I wonder if it will stay that way after a few weeks of using it. So this comes with Android Nougat out of the box with a promise of audio update. Honor even plans to include the face unlock feature in the next software update that was previously only present on the Honor V10. I'm really curious about the fingerprint sensor and whether it's fast or not. The fingerprint sensor is really fast and responsive, pretty much works perfectly. So I just installed Bullet Force, a first-person shooter game I like to play, and cracked up the graphics to ultra. Really smooth, with no hiccups or any lag whatsoever. So far I'm impressed. And that's it for today's video. If you'd like to see a full review or a test of the camera with video recording samples, check the video in the description down below. As always guys, thanks for watching and see you next time.